Here I've got OPPO A9 2020 and let me show you how to activate subtitles on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings. Now locate and go to additional settings, which are just under language and region, and now scroll down a bit, pick accessibility, and here at the bottom of the list you will notice subtitles. So click on it, and now you can activate and deactivate them by tapping on this switcher. So let me enable this service, and now let's set it up the options. So at first let's pick the language, it can be default or some other language that you would like to have, so just pick one from the following list and have subtitles in this particular language. I will stay with default. Then it's time to change the text size, so just adjust it to your needs. It can be tiny, small, normal, large or huge. So let me show you the difference between huge. Here you can see it, and small. So this is it. I will stack with normal. And finally you can change the subtitle style. Just click on it, so you can pick white on black, black on white, yellow on black, yellow on blue, or custom. Let me pick yellow on blue for example, and this is how it will look like. Then you can also custom the colors. So now font family, let me pick this one. Then the text color can be yellow. Text opacity, let's leave it in 100%. Border type, it can be raised. Edge color can be, for example, pink, so you'll be able to see the difference. And now the opacity can stay in 100%, and subtitle window color can be, for example, this one. And as you can see, this is how you can personalize all the settings connected with subtitles, and then you can obviously switch it off whenever you want to. So that would be all. So you can add subtitles and personalize them in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.